Spring is here, which means sunshine, fresh air, and more fun for your little ones. But if you're wondering how to keep your preschooler entertained, I got you covered in today's video. I'm sharing 5 exciting and simple, easy engagement activities that you can do with your child this spring that will keep them learning, exploring, and having fun all spring long. Hi, my name is April, and on this channel, I help busy moms navigate motherhood with simple, easy, practical tips to help make parenting a lot easier. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you are here for every time I release child-friendly products, safety hacks, parenting hacks, and much more. Let's dive into today's video. Nothing gets kids more excited than an interesting scavenger hunt. Spring edition. Just grab a simple checklist of things that you want your child to find while they are outside in the elements and make it a very interactive game for them. If they find something on the checklist, create a reward system to keep them engaged and exploring for the entire list. You want to put things on there that are easy for children to find, like butterflies, flowers, plants, bees, grass. This is a great way to encourage their exploring skills and observation skills as well. Also, it's a good way for your child to get some fresh air after being cooped up all winter long. If you don't know where to start, don't worry, I got you. In the description box below, I've linked a free scavenger hunt for you and your family to try out, and let me know what you think about it. Sideway chalk is so magical, but let's make it even more special. Try drawing a gigantic flower right on the sidewalk. Draw a hopscotch, which is super fun and help with those fine motor skills. When you were growing up as a kid, what was your favorite design to draw on the sidewalks with chalk? Let me know in the comments section below. We might have had the same one. Spring is the perfect time to welcome butterflies into your backyard or birds. Isn't this so adorable? Find this at any craft store like Michael's and have your kids design. It's super easy. You don't need any glue, and you could also have string attached to it as well. If you want to make a bird feeder, you can use a similar concept. All you have to do is get a dish, put some shallow water into it, a string to hold it up, and you can get some slices of fruit like bananas or strawberries to put in the bird feeder as well. You can hang it in your yard and watch the birds or butterflies come. If you try this, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how it turns out. If you need an easy spring mess-free activity, try a spring theme sensory board. It's perfect. All you have to do is add in some rice, pasta, and some spring items like flowers, seeds, grass to really help your children learn about how things feel. Get a big scoop and have them stir and work those fine motor skills as they explore all the different options that are available during spring. Sort the sensory bin by pulling out items by category. So if you put in flowers, have your children pull out and scoop flowers, the rice, grass, dirt. If you're loving these ideas so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button so I know to make more videos like this one. This is another cool interactive idea to do with your child outside, and it's bubble painting. Just mix a little bit of food coloring into your bubble solution and voila, colorful bubbles that you can do, and when they pop, they paint all over the ground. You can bowl these onto paper, or if you want to take it outside to make it an outdoor activity, it's still a win-win because you'll be able to see the colors from the bubbles that pop on the ground or on the paper, making it a super fun activity for your kids. And it's also in the STEM category if that's something that they're interested and want to explore with their little mind. This is such a cool sensory activity. Do you think your preschool will try it? Let me know in the comments and we can discuss. I hope these activities bring you some extra fun this spring. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try first. And if you want more seasonal ideas, make sure to check out this video here where I dive into more ways of having fun all year round with your little one. See you next time.